Hey, it's Leo Johnson from MarineMax Lake Norman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am showing you a new piece of inventory. This is a 2026 Yamaha Boats 252S. This particular boat is a great option for those looking for a luxury package at an affordable price. This particular boat is in the mist gray, exclusive for 2026 with the black bottom. We've also upgraded it with the galvanized swing tongue tandem axle trailer that you see it on here. It's got the water sports tower as part of that S package as well. Coming around back, let me show you one of the most favorited features here on this Yamaha 252S is going to be this swim platform area. Got lots of versatility back here. You've got these pedestal, table, and in-water swim seats that are removable and can flip either direction. Great padding for rear-facing seating. You've got a tow point, stereo controller, transom shower, cup holders, everything you'd ever want to spend the afternoon out on the water here. This boat is going to have some great grab handles walking in, tow point, everything's super easy access and very well thought out. One of the best features of these Yamaha jet boats. As we step inside, this boat's going to have SeaDeck flooring throughout. It's also going to have the white interior. On all of these 25-foot S models, you're going to have storage under these back seats. These also do slide to adjust your rear seating area to your liking. Coming inside, you've got lots of room for the whole family to hang out. Great wraparound seating with storage underneath your rear seats. You've got a flip out table on this S series boat as well. Gives you a nice entertainment zone here. Tons of cup holders, great storage cubbies throughout the boat as well. On the S series, you're gonna have two captain's chairs. These both swivel, slide, and recline. You're gonna have armrests on both, and your captain's gonna have a nice flip-up bolster for some visibility. Up at the helm, you're gonna have the Yamaha Connext screen. You got your key switches right here, wireless phone charger for your driver, controller for your stereo and your Connext screen, some manual controls, and then your throttles for your 1.9 liter Yamaha jet engines. On the port side, we've got a very large head compartment in here. We've got some filler cushions in there at the moment, as well as the table base. And then you're also gonna have, importantly, a double glove box here. Great for things like phones and keys, and your registration, of course. As we walk up here to the bow, this boat also does have a filler cushion that inserts very nicely in here. When not in place, you've got a very deep, comfortable seating area here. Cup holders for your forward passengers, great grab rails as well. Storage under these front seats. And my favorite feature on the 252 series is going to be this bow hatch here. Got a boarding ladder as well as the anchor storage. It's a great multi-use space. That's been a quick video overview of this in-stock 2026 Yamaha Boats 252S. This boat is here at our Lake Norman location. If you've got any questions on this model or any others like it, give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com or stop by our local store today for more details. Thanks for watching.